Understanding Plan for Jet Lag, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, plan for jet lag. This phrase is particularly useful for those who travel or are interested in understanding travel-related vocabulary. So, let's dive in and make sense of this together. Plan for jet lag is a phrase that combines two concepts, plan and jet lag. Let's understand each word. Plan. This means to think about and arrange the activities or steps necessary to achieve a desired goal or outcome. Jet lag. A temporary disorder that causes fatigue, insomnia, and other symptoms as a result of air travel across time zones. So, when we say, plan for jet lag, we're talking about preparing in advance to deal with the effects of jet lag. Jet lag occurs because our body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, is out of sync with the new time zone. Symptoms include fatigue and tiredness, difficulty in sleeping, digestive problems, mood changes. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for planning effectively. Now, let's discuss how to plan for jet lag. 1. Adjust your schedule. Try to gradually adjust your sleeping and eating schedule to the new time zone a few days before your trip. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your flight to stay hydrated. 3. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. These can disrupt your sleep and worsen jet lag symptoms. 4. Move around. During the flight, walk around or stretch to improve blood circulation. 5. Consider light exposure. Light can help reset your internal clock. Seek daylight if you need to stay awake, or avoid it if you're trying to sleep. Here are some additional tips. Use sleep aids wisely. Consider short-term use of sleeping pills, but consult a doctor first. Plan a light schedule for the first days. Don't schedule heavy work or intense activities right after you arrive. Consider melatonin supplements. These can help regulate sleep patterns, but again, consult a doctor first. That's all on how to plan for jet lag. Remember, everyone experiences jet lag differently, so find what works best for you. Safe travels, and I hope this video has been informative and helpful. See you in our next lesson.